India Meteorological Department bra weather update dia de northeast region de aha din de light to moderate rainfall logode thunderstorm lightning aro gusty winds forecast krishe IMD laga forecast chisap Arunachal Pradesh de April 19 to 21 Assam aro Meghalaya de April 19 to 22 Nagaland Manipur Mizoram aro Tripura de April 19 to 22 de light to moderate rainfall logode thunderstorm, lightning, aro gusty winds tagibo. IMD Virginaishigi Nagaland de aji April 20 bra shuru kurikina state laga bishi jaga de thunderstorm aro lightning logode 30 to 40 km per hour gusty winds tagibo. April 21 aro 22 dibi state laga bishi jaga de thunderstorm aro lightning ahibole forecast krishe. IMD gushigi itu samedi northeast laga Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram aro Tripura dibi lightning activity expect krise.